Okay, Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Let's understand first what does it mean by vector equation. Okay, so this is what we call as vector equation of line. So sekarang ni apa maksud line? Line yang mana yang dia hendak mencari? Line yang ini ke ataupun line yang ini ke? Or ini ke? So you might be confused right now. Apa yang dia tengah cuba nak cari? So sekarang ni kamu nampak ni huruf R kan? R vectors. So it's actually we want to find these vectors, R vectors. This is what we want to find, but the way we are trying to find it, it's actually a bit different. Okay, sebab ini adalah soalan yang ini adalah formula yang telah dia derive. Okay, kalau kamu nak nampak yang belum derive, kamu tengoklah lecture video. So this is actually the formula that you need to hafal. Okay, you need to hafal where you understand that this is what we call as fixed point. Okay, A here is what we call as fixed point. A ni tidak bergerak. A ni diberi kepada kamu. It's given to you. A is it's not going to move around. It's fixed. It's there, not moving. Tapi manakala kalau R ni pula dia move, R is moving. R is moving. Ataupun kita panggil dia sebagai random. It can be anywhere. Okay? Okay, for example, this is A. This is A. Your R can be here, can be here, can be here. So R is random. It can be anywhere that they want. Okay, bayangkan R tu random, huruf R tu random. So R is the one who is moving. So we are trying to find something, the vector of R here that is moving. But what we need here is actually the vector of A itself, the vector of A itself, tambahkan dengan T is a parameter, times it with vector V. Vector V adalah kita memerlukannya di sini. Okay, vector V is needed is really needed because vektor di sini sangat penting bahagian nak baca soalan. Okay, if you baca soalan nombor 13, find the vector equation of the line that parallel to this one, right? So you mesti tengah confused. Parallel dengan line ni, adakah parallel bermaksud parallel begini? Tidak. Okay, tidak sama sekali. Bukan parallelnya di sini, bukan parallelnya di situ, tetapi maksudnya dekat sini adalah they are trying to find something that parallel to the vector here. Okay, you must understand that this is vector which is parallel. Okay, vector which is parallel to the AR. Okay, do you remember that this is our AR? Okay, this is our AR which is parallel there. So our V is actually parallel to AR. Jadi maksudnya dekat sini kita kena merujuk kepada V lah, vektor V yang kita kena rujukkan, dan dari situ oh aku faham sekarang ni dia vektor dia akan sama. No matter what, the vector will be the same. Is the same. Cumanya that passes through the point ini, that passes through the point that passes through the point 1, 3, -7 ni ya. Apa? This is passes through means passes through a fixed point. Okay, so here is a fixed point that will be changed. So our vector untuk jawapan A adalah, okay, we know that R vector r is equals to a plus tv, right? Since this is already t, kita tukarkan huruf t di sini menjadi huruf s. Sebab dia dah mewakili another line. Okay, another line. So, yang ini masih v lah. Kita ikut je, kamu follow je. What you are doing right now is you follow. This is a fixed point. This is a vector which is parallel. Okay, which is parallel to the line. So, your answer right now, it would be a fixed point, a new fixed point, kamu, which is 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, negative 7. This is new fixed point, 1, 3, negative 7, plus it with s, okay, just a parameter, and then with the v kamu, it's the same as your line here, sebab dia kata parallel. Okay, a new line, this is like a new line, is parallel to the line here, but you must focus at the v, which is parallel, which is parallel to the AR tadi tu yang saya explain tadi tu. So this is fixed 1, 2 and 3. This is remain the same sebab parallel. Apa yang parallel? It's because of this v vector parallel to the AR vector. So nampak je perkataan parallel. It is actually trying to tell you that the vectors are parallel, therefore the vectors will be the same. It's remaining. Cumanya fixed point dia yang berubah. Fixed point dia berubah sebab dia kata it passes through a new point. Okay, therefore your answer is actually I plus 3j minus 7k plus what? Plus s in bracket I plus 2j plus 3k. That's it. That's your new line. Soalan 13B that passes through 0, 1 and 2 and in the direction of I, j dan k. So in the direction of I, j dan k bermaksud kita mempunyai the new v. So in the direction of I, j dan k dekat sini, maksudnya kita ada v yang baru. We have new direction dan we have new AR. Okay, so do you remember when I say v is parallel to the AR? So v is parallel to the AR. AR dekat sini is the new number already, new direction. Okay, this is focusing at the new direction. So now, and then dia kata passes through a new point. Sebab, kenapa saya kata a new point? It's because it's a new number. Of course, it's a different number. So, of course, it's a different line then. So our VE, sebab dia tanya pasal vector equation kan. So VE, the formula is VR equals to A plus TV, right? So TV, nak guna T boleh, nak guna S boleh. T ke S ke, is just a parameter. Okay, it's just a parameter. So what you have to follow right now is A is a fixed point. Okay, A is your fixed point. So find your fixed point. So your fixed point here is the new fixed point that passes through the fixed point, which is 0, 1, and 2. Plus it with T, with the V direction. So V is the new direction, which is 1, 1, and negative 2. And so your R is eventually is equals to the J plus 2K plus I in bracket of I plus J minus 2K. That is your new VE untuk soalan B.